This is a request. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on my post notifications. Send requests in the comments, and thanks for 9,400 subscribers. Also, turn down your volume because this video will be loud. You have been warned. Tonight is so nice and quiet. Time to yell. This is so great. Now everyone is disturbed. Oh no. I need to run.
Oh no! Caillou! How dare you start an avalanche? It was so nice and peaceful here. That's it. You are not grounded.
Wait. I am not grounded? Thanks, Daddy.
Instead of being grounded, I will leave you here forever. Have fun digging yourself out. You piece of shit.
No, Daddy. Please help me.